Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching TechMe Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert lines on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile version. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a lines in your Microsoft Excel mobile, just going to show in this video. So to insert the lines, for an example, if you just need have a value here like 56, and here I just have another value like 500. So I just want to represent it by a line. So you can just insert by clicking on this arrow section. Just change to the insert option first, and then you just need to have to click on the shapes option, and here just swipe down. You can find the lines. So here there is a different type of lines like a normal line or this line like this. Click on this, you can see it automatically place the lines there. And click on the shape lines. Here you can just change the color of the line, or also you can just change the outline color if you just need it, or like a black color, whatever the color you just needed. It's simple. You can just easily insert the lines like this, or you can just change the position to wherever you just need it like this also. So this is how you just insert the lines on your Microsoft Excel on your mobile device. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMe Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.